A month after officially announcing the competition for a new, more powerful rifle, the U.S. Army is scrapping plans to adopt the 7.62mm Interim Combat Service Rifle. The Army was looking for a better alternative to the 5.56mm round and the M4/M16 rifle platform, the latter of which has been in service in various forms since the 1960s. As the Army noted in its solicitation for the ICSR, there were concerns that the 5.56mm round had seen its lethality reduced by improvements in body armor as well as by the range over which some firefights in recent conflicts have taken place. Over the summer, Army Chief of Staff General Mark Milley told Congress that the M4's M8551 enhanced performance round could not penetrate body armor similar to that issued by the Army. Milley also said it was not necessary for every soldier to get a new rifle, just the infantry's units most likely to be rapidly deployed. The M4/M16 platform had also come in for criticism, in part because of concerns about jamming and overheating. Discussion about a new Army rifle has been going since this spring. In mid-May, retired Army Major General Robert Scales, who called the M4 and M16 terribly flawed, and retired Army Lieutenant General John Bednarek appeared to persuade some members of the Senate that a new rifle and round were needed.
I wouldn't move left or right.
But as first reported by the Firearm blog and confirmed by Army Times, the Army has canceled the nascent program that would have swapped the M4 for a rifle chambered in 7.62mm ammunition. No official reason was given, but the Firearms blog cited sources saying that the plan was scrapped due to the lack of a pressing threat, poor written requirements, and little support from rank-and-file troops or in the Defense Department. In June 2013, the Army ended a competition to replace the M4 without selecting a winner. While the Army is working on an ammunition and rifle combo between 5.56mm and 7.62mm caliber to replace the M4/M16 rifle platform, the ICSR will no longer be sought to stand in while that long-term plan goes on, Army Times said. Most soldiers are equipped with M4s, M16s, or M27s firing 5.56mm. Specialized troops, like snipers or machine gunners, already fire 7.62mm rounds or rounds of similar caliber. The Marine Corps was also looking to swap out the M4 carried by most of its infantrymen with the M27, which was introduced in 2010 as a potential replacement for the M249 squad automatic weapon. The M27 is currently carried by the automatic rifleman on each Marine Corps infantry fire team. Most Marines like it, and so do I, Marine Corps Commandant General Robert Neller said of the M27 this spring, saying the rifles have been the most reliable, durable, and accurate weapons carried by rifle squads. Despite issues with the ICSR and the M4, the Army is poised to distribute its new sidearm, the Sig Sauer P320, also called the XM17, this fall. Members of the Army's 508th Parachute Infantry Regiment, along with some sailors, airmen, and Marines, tested the XM17 with the M4 in cold weather here at Fort Bragg earlier this month. The Marine Corps said earlier this year that it was taking part in the Army's selection process for the XM17 and plans to field a more compact version, called the XM18, among certain positions sometime in the future. The Marine Corps did not immediately respond to Business Insider's request for comment.
In the 50s and then those three at in the middle.
35.
And the 300, we'll see one.
Put all the rounds in here.
That's not a snap. That's a view.
I would.
And go ahead and assume a good prone unsupported position.
Where are you impacting? Like, not your shot spotters. Yeah, just your shot spotters. I saw one up top, like right by the head.
There's one trevor on top of the chest and it's screen pulled down the pad. Alright, that should put you dead center of the chest. Alright, cool. So that way you're getting. Those two look way better. Way better.
Take a knee.